Today we're going to show you how to test and replace a lid switch that looks like this on the Maytag Centennial MCT. First we got to get this into test mode. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to clear everything, just reverse it a couple times, and then it's right, 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 left, right, and then all the dials will come on. So the first thing we're going to do is we want to get this into spin and done and hit start. So this puts it into manual test mode. So now we can test things manually. So to test the lid switch, this is an extra one. We already have the lid switch that's in here. All we have to do with making sure no lights are on, we're just going to hit the start button. And the lid will lock. Hit it again, it'll unlock. So right now this is testing it and it's working. And this one's a good lid lock. Now if you did this test and it was blinking or wasn't locking, then you know your lid lock is bad. So now let's change this lid lock. So with the lid up, from underneath, this is the lid lock. We need to push and go to the right. So it's a little tough, but we're going to push and go to the right. So push and right, and you hear that snap. And now it'll just pop out. That's it. So you can see how it just goes in, it's up, and then slides back in. That's it. So once you slide it out, you unhook it, pop it out of the back, put the new one in, and you're good to go. And one last thing, if you're trying to test this, this lock must be inside when you hit the test. If it's not in, you'll just get that. So the lock has to be inside to work. And that's it.